there! Tonight we are going to do something very interesting. We are going to visit Stella Koroshets. She's a co-founder and CMO of two amazing lifestyle hydration brands. The first one is Aqua. These are lovely water bottles, very nicely designed. With these water bottles, they are selling them all around the world and they have enormous success by that. But we are actually going to deep dive into their second brand, which is called Ghost Story. And for two products of this brand, Stella's team managed to raise more than $1 million on Kickstarter. Wow, I'm blown away. So we should definitely check out with Stella, how did they do it? What is the secret behind growth hacking Kickstarter?
Case, you really need to be like completely committed to it while it's happening. It's super important to do the pre-campaign. That's always like whatever you do, like the teasing and the collecting contacts and emails.
Sorry, how do you do the pre-campaign? I think that's very important.
Yeah, well, how we do it, we always make all of our material like way in advance. And then we just start with like short teasers or like photos or just like saying that we're gonna do something new. Then like you do this for a couple of weeks, let's say, and then like short clips of what is this new thing that's happening, just like raising this hype and just like so everybody is like curious. And at the point where we think that everybody knows everything already, this is when you just started, like, because at one point you're like, oh my god, I just spammed people with like 50,000 messages already, all over social media and everywhere. And then I meet a friend and she's like, so what are you doing these days? And I'm like, really?
Where do you live?
So when you think you've done a lot, this is when you just started. So go from there.
So at this point, are you collecting emails? Are you hoping to like gain traction on Facebook pixels? How do you gather this information?
We try to do everything. I'm a really strong believer in email marketing. So like newsletters, and it doesn't need to be like sales results all the time. It's just like staying in touch with our community, just like giving them new recipes or maybe saying we were here, like sharing a new video with them. And then once in a while, just like share a super awesome
product that you invented.
Deal.
Innovation.
Like a new deal or something. So it needs to be a combination of everything, of course.
So that was a pre-campaign, as you said, the first important factor that we should keep in mind. What are the others?
And then also like we are really strong in our visual appearance, so we always make sure that all our photography is really good, that the video is really nice. It just because we feel like this, you're presenting yourself. I think that's a big value of Kickstarter, because you're putting your face there. So it's not just like, a voiceover that is saying something, but you're there. So you're kind of like saying, I'm here, this is my product, and I promise that it's gonna be good. So, you can't just sell bullshit or like do it in a weird way, because you want to feel good with it.
That's a very good one. I don't believe that I heard anybody explain it in such a way that you did, because usually people are just launch MVP or whatever, but you're saying just the opposite. And it connected with your name, with your company. It's a very strong point.
I think like also this is one of the main reasons why Kickstarter had or is still successful, or had so many successful stories, because people really put their face out there. And then of course another thing is that you need to try a whole bunch of stuff and then just like allow yourself to fail, and it's completely okay. It happens to everyone, and it's a good thing, because you have to try it, and maybe something will work for one product, and then you will learn something new for the next one. So it's just that's why I love marketing, actually. It's just like you have this ability to play around with so many tools, and you get to go into the head of the consumer, and it's awesome.
That's again a very interesting point because I'm usually saying to students also in this point at this course that 1 in 10 experiments will be successful,
Yeah.
and we just talk about wins all the time, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
exactly.
important to notice that there are also some things that are not going to work. That might be an educated guess, a good guess, a professional guess, but still the market will tell. So
Exactly,
this
yeah.
is something that you should just like absorb as a person and call it a learning, not a fail.
Very nicely put.
Right, sorry, it's your internet.
I love it. It's like good. You're doing a
Yeah,
good
we'll
job.
definitely back you and your next campaign. So where can like our students learn more about you, your product, and exciting stuff that are going to be done in future?
Well, I think the best place is, of course, visit our websites. Sign up for our some newsletters.
It is awesome.
And yeah, just I think we're all over social media. I mean, we try to be also with our personal accounts, and yeah, we just try to share a whole bunch of things. Also, like behind the scenes, I think that's really awesome. Like I like watching this stuff with other artists or entrepreneurs as well. So that's really cool. I've been saying I'll have my own blog for years now, but I don't, so I'm sorry.
That's okay. Like we love your Facebook.
Yeah,
Also,
yeah.
this setup produces a lot of live videos. So
True, yeah.
just
I
search
think
them out.
the live streams on Facebook and Instagram right now are amazing. That's like a really new way how to connect with community, and it's just like it gives you like instant feedback, and it's awesome.
Gosh, I really wish that we would touch this in the interview as well. Maybe next time, decent influencers.
Cool.
Stella, thank you so much for this wonderful talk. I'm sure that it will be very insightful to students who are maybe considering launching something on Kickstarter, and
Awesome.
also tell you what for female entrepreneurs whatsoever, because Stella is one of the positive role models that you can have in life, and that's always a good thing. Take care. See you later in the course.
Thank you. Bye.